I am Vietnamese and I am here to make Vietnam stronger. I know learning English is good decision. I believe I can speak perfect English. I believe I can communicate with the whole world. I will devote all my time and my effort. I enjoy listening to English every day. I enjoy speaking English everywhere. I'm fearless to express myself. I'm fearless to talk to foreigners. No matter how hard it is, no matter how long it takes, and no matter what they say, I still believe in myself. I still believe in you. I'm going to make it. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Right here and right now. Thanks for watching.